Welcome back, Tube. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, obviously it's finding out that you guys like generator videos a lot more than you like grinder videos. So what I was gonna do is I was gonna do a little test here with the Drill Master. Was it $9.99? So a little hair under $10 when if you get the coupon. And I watched a couple guys on YouTube absolutely annihilate one of these by cutting a driveline in half. It did cut the driveline in half, but when they went to go do the weld, it wouldn't quite cut the weld. And the thing is, it's only like what, 4.9 amps, so it's not really designed for that. It was kind of fun to watch him abuse it. So in my opinion only, I think that under normal usage, this would probably be just fine. I don't think you're going to cut drive lines or air tanks in half or whatever with it, but around the house type stuff, light duty, medium duty shop stuff, you should be okay. So we won't bore you with a video on grinders. I think they pretty much, I think it lasted, if I remember correctly, like 10-15 minutes of them pretty heavy duty abuse. And if it holds up for that, it'll hold up for light duty stuff around shop or garage. So since we like to do the generator, sorry about the hand there, since we like to do generator stuff, follow me. I don't know if you can see it buried down in here, right here. This little guy right here, well, not so little, is a Chicago Electric, what the heck is that? I think it's like 6,500 to 7,000 watt generator, 7,000 watt running watts, 6,500. I said that backwards. 7,000 surge watts, 6,500 running watts. It's been sitting there for about 4 years. So what I've done in that 4-year storage, I made sure the gas tank was empty and the carb was empty. I never store anything for a long period of time with gas in the tank or the carb to hopefully keep residue and crud and all that stuff, varnish and all that stuff down in both the tank and the carburetor. There's a little bit of residual gas in there, so but it's below the inlet filter, so hopefully it hasn't done anything crappy in there. So what we're going to do is pull this out, so stay tuned, and I'll try to get all the stuff out, or get this in a position where I can stuff some gas in it, and turn the key or pull the crank and see if we can get it to start up. If my theory is correct, I should be able to fire it up after 4 years of storage, but we'll see, maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll get this stuff going. Thanks. Ooh, good. Got some crap in there. Thank God for the filter. Well, if I pull that out and clean it out, it's gonna... Yeah, you can tell it's got a little bit of gas in there still. Well, I'm gonna just have to take a chance. Let's do this. No, if that's gonna work or not. Oops. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's see if it has got enough to get in there. I'm hoping so. Now, yeah. Oh yeah, plenty full. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's plenty. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to turn this big beast over by hand or not. It's... Okay. Hopefully that's enough gas. It gets in there. I don't know if it does or not. Choke. I don't know if that's enough gas that's in there or not. Guess we'll find out. I don't know if that's got enough in it. I have no way of telling. Let me see here. Boy, that may not be enough. EPA 2011, is that when I bought this? I don't think that's gonna have gas in it, to be honest with you. Let's see if I can. Okay, we stuffed a little more gas in there. This isn't exactly the smallest engine to try to hand start. Oh, I think I see the gas in there now. And we have it choked. And let's make sure we have that on. Sure don't have anything off. Off, on. I might have to wind up using the battery for this puppy. That's loud. Well, there you have it. 4 years sitting in storage. And put some gas in it. It took a few pulls, but nevertheless it got started. So. Thanks. Okay, YouTube, I decided to stuff a little more gasoline in here and try the electric start since I've already got it out and running. And sorry for the shaky video in the last video. It's trying hard to do all this stuff one-handed and by yourself. So let's a little more gas in it. Got the gas on, got the battery hooked up. It's not the battery I use for this, obviously. That's a car battery, and I never did replace the first battery I had in it. So let's see what happens. Okay, well, we know it works. Do I gotta choke it again? Let's choke it again. Not I got enough gas in there. This petcock here, I need to figure out a way to adjust this because this puppy here is up too far, so there can be gas there, but not coming in here. So when I empty that, I think I'll try to see if there's a way to adjust that. Because that means I'm going to have that much more gas in here that I don't really want sitting in this tank for that long. Yeah. man, I hate to put more in there. So anyway, we know the electric starter works. So I'm going to work out that issue of getting the rest of the gas out of there. So, all right, thanks a lot. Bye.